Hello everyone. My name is Sneha Parmar. Today I am going to present my internship project titled Food Ordering Website using Stack. During this internship, I learned how to develop a full stack web application using modern web technologies. This internship helped me improve my programming knowledge, problem solving skills, and practical development experience. Now, let me explain my presentation slide by slide. So, the main objective of this internship was to gain practical knowledge of full stack web development. The goals were to learn front end and back end development, to improve logical thinking and problem solving skills, to build a real world web application, to understand modern web technologies and development practices. This internship allowed me to apply theoretical concepts in a practical project. So, project requirement. My project is a food ordering website developed using the MERN stack, which includes MongoDB Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. The main purpose of this application is to provide an easy and convenient platform where users can browse restaurants, view food menus, add items to their cart, and place food orders online. The application also provides user authentication. Restaurant search, filters option, online payment, and order history. It is designed with a responsive interface so that it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile devices. So, next, architecture and design. This slide shows the architecture of the MERN stack. The process starts when a user interacts with the React.js frontend. The frontend sends requests to the backend developed with Node.js and Express.js. The backend processes the request and communicates with MongoDB to store or retrieve data. Finally, the server sends the response back to the frontend where the user can see the updated information. This architecture provides fast communication, better performance, and easy maintenance. So now let us understand what full stack web development means. Full stack development involves both the front end and back end of a web application. The front end is the part that users interact with. It is developed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. The backend handles business logic, API request, authentication, and communication with the database. It is developed using Node.js and Express.js. For storing application data, MongoDB is used as the database. Together, these technologies create a complete web application. Now, I will briefly explain MERN-Stack. So, first one is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores application data in JSON-like documents. Express.js is a backend framework that simplifies routing and API development. React.js is a JavaScript library used to create interactive and responsive user interfaces. And the last is Node.js. It's a JavaScript runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run on the server side. The combination of these four technologies is called the MERN-Stack. So now explain the food ordering website project. This project provides a complete online food ordering experience. Users can create a new account, log in securely, and browse different restaurants. They can search restaurants, view food items with images and prices, and add products to their shopping cart. The application also allows users to update quantities, remove items, and proceed to checkout. For online payments, Stripe payment integration is used. Cloudinary is used for image storage and optimization, while Mailtrap is used for email notification. Overall, the project provides a user-friendly and responsive food ordering platform. So now I will explain the implementation of the project. The project is built using the MERN-Stack. The main modules include user registration and login, restaurant browsing, menu display, shopping cart, order confirmation, payment gateway, and order history. Some important features of the application are restaurant search and filtering, menu display with images and prices, cart management with quantity updates, delivery address during checkout, secure online payment, user profile management, responsive design of different screen sizes. To conclude this internship, gave me practical exposure to full stack web development. Through this project, I learned how front end, back end, and databases work together to build a complete web application. I also gained experience in React.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, API integration, authentication, payment gateway integration, and deployment concepts. This internship improved my confidence, teamwork, and problem solving ability. So, thank you, Webstack Academy, for giving me this opportunity. Now, I will explain and show my food ordering website project. So, this is the home page of the food ordering website. This page shows total restaurants. There are 6 restaurants. If I want to search for pure veg, then click. So it will shows the pure vegetarian restaurant. If I click sort by reviews, so it will sort according to reviews. If I want to search for favorite restaurant, if I click on this, if I want to add, so it will shows the login page. If the new user, click on this and register yourself. So it will successfully register. The cart number is increases by 1. The cart number is increases by 2. So this is the order summary. If I delete any food item from the cart, click on this button. So the item will be removed. If I click on this, click your full name, so the order has been placed successfully. Click on this. So the order status is processing. Now I will click on this item, this icon. This is the profile section. Click on edit. So the profile has been updated successfully. So that's all.